Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm going to talk about how to fix Battlefield 2042 crashing after connecting screen fix and how we can fix this app. So let me directly get into a step. So the first one is all about we have to go to this document over here and directly navigate to this PC, go to documents, you have to navigate to the documents and get into the folder named My Games. So if you have any folder here for Battlefield 2042, you have to delete it. Once you delete the folder, you have to close everything over here and you have to check with the game. Still, if you're having the trouble, then we just need to not update the graphics card, we need to downgrade the graphics card. For me, I'm having the NVIDIA graphics card. So what I need to do is I just need to go back here. Now go to the NVIDIA official site. Now once I give all the details like my product type, product series, product, operating system, etc. As you can see, this is the latest version. Most probably every users might be updated to this graphics card which is causing the issue up. So we have to downgrade it to the stable version. That is all about. If you scroll down, you can see we have a version called 577, which is a stable version. Now this is an old graphics card, but even though it works a lot for almost all the games, so try downloading to this particular graphics card. Instead of using the latest one, you have to download to this particular graphics card and you can install it and you can check. That might work. And also for the EA app users, what you need to do is if you're having the game on EA app, you just need to go over here, search for the EA app and click on this one. And for me, I'm having the game on the Steam. But for some users, even though they install the EA app on their computer, so unless they did not make these changes, even though you are not playing the game on EA app, but you are playing it on the Steam, you might be having the error. The only one solution or the thing that you need to take care of is all about once you sign into the EA app, and this is what you have to do. So once you sign into the EA app, just go over here at the top, click on the three horizontal line and navigate to the settings. Now from here, go to the application. And if you scroll down somewhere else, you can see there is an option called in-game overlay. So if it is turned on, might be in many reasons. You might be not playing the game on the EA app on the Steam, but even though if it is turned on, you'll be having this trouble. So turn this off. That's very important. You have to turn this off. Turn off the game overlay. Now you have to close this. Then you have to go over here, search for the NVIDIA app. If you don't, just get into the NVIDIA app. Now once you get into the NVIDIA app, you just need to wait for this to get completely load up. Now once you get into load up, you just need to go to settings. Now from here you can see we have an NVIDIA overlay. Make sure you turn this on. That is very important. You have to turn on the NVIDIA overlay. Then you have to close this. Then go back to the Steam or whatever it is. Then try launch the game. That might work. And this is what you have to do. And I hope this quick video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. That's it. Bye bye.